Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English B grammar page number 53. Topic is modal verbs. Modal verbs show the possibility, ability, permission or obligation. The modal verbs are modal auxiliary verbs include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must, need and dare यानी मॉडल वर्ब्स इम्कान, काबिलियत, इजाज़त या ज़रूरत को ज़ाहिर करते हैं। नोट: तमाम मॉडल वर्ब्स के साथ वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म इस्तेमाल की जाती है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सेंटेंस नंबर 1, यू मस्ट वेयर आ हेलमेट। इन दिस sentence modal verb must is used for compulsory duty. Next sentence number 2, he may win the prize. In this sentence modal verb may is used for possibility. Next sentence number 3, would you like some tea? In this sentence modal verb would is used for opinion. Next sentence number 4, they might be late. In this sentence modal verb might is used for possibility. Next sentence number 5, may I use your pen? In this sentence modal verb may is used for permission. Next sentence number 6, you should respect elders. In this sentence modal verb should is used for opinion. Next sentence number 7, you ought to meet him. In this sentence modal verb ought to is used for moral duty. Next sentence number 8, you need not worry. In this sentence modal verb need is used for compulsory duty. Next sentence number 9, she can speak French. In this sentence modal verb can is used for ability. Next sentence number 10, he could solve the puzzle easily. In this sentence modal verb could is used for ability. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ। आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.